Good morning, candidates. India's fertility rate drops below replacement level as population reaches 1.46 billion. A United Nations report. UNFPA says fertility rate has fallen to 1.9, below the replacement level of 2.1, as women are having fewer children than needed to sustain population levels without migration. India's population is estimated to reach 1.46 billion in 2025, continuing to be the highest in the world, according to a new UN demographic report, which also revealed the country's total fertility rate has fallen below the replacement rate. UNFPA's 2025 State of World Population Report, the real fertility crisis, calls for a shift from panic over falling fertility to addressing unproductive, reproductive goals. Millions of people are not able to realize the real fertility goals it assets. This is the real crisis, not underpopulation or overpopulation, and the answer lies in greater reproductive agency. The person's ability to make free and informed 150% choices about sex, contraception, and starting a family, it says. I am giving the link of this page in the comments column of this video, so you can go through that also. No, here it says that fertility rate is coming down. That's what is given here. Yeah. So while women in India and every other country have more rights and choices today than their mothers or grandmothers did, they still have a long way to go before they are empowered to have the number of children they want, if any, when they want them. Thank you. Thank you so much. India's population to reach 1.53 billion by 2100. How can it leverage this growth? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I will give this link in the comments column of this video.